How to draw a watermelon. Often we draw a triangle with red watercolor a green stripe at the bottom and blend it a bit with water. Then add gray seeds. But you can make this drawing much better. Take a black waterproof liner, outline the watermelon and add a thickness to the side. Mark the rind with a dotted line and draw lines next to the seeds. Cover the right side with the red watercolor and blend it with the water. Draw the rind with green and also blend it with water. Add a dark green stripe at the bottom. Cover the watermelon with red, blend it, and add bright stripes next to the seeds. Make the shadow with blue and color the seed with black. It's done! If it was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe.